Alright, so something else came in the mail today, or yesterday. I just haven't had time to record or open it, but right now I just opened it. So I can't find my one of my attachments to go to the tripod to hold my camera. But yeah, and that's my floor squeaking, by the way. Anyways, so this is my intercooler that I bought. It's a used HKS R-Spec. It's got some, from my understanding, it's got some bad bent fins, but those can be rebent, so I'm not too worried about it. But it does hold pressure, so the guy pressure tested it and he showed how much PSI it can hold, and I think he did like 35 PSI or something like that. I did a video, so I bought it. It was pretty cheap for it. It came with the piping. Still stock for the stock twins. I can throw this on. I probably will do it just to play around with it. But yeah, so I'll do some unboxing and probably put it back in there because I really want to see this thing. There's all this stuff in here. I did a pretty good job of packaging it. Anyways, I'm gonna have to put the camera down somewhere, so hopefully you guys can still get a good view on it. So, and that sucked. Alright. Anyways, I got this out of the box. Everything seems fine. It seems like a 4-inch, I believe it is. I'll have to measure it. But yeah, so I'm really happy I got this. Usually these ones are like $2 brand new. And I got it for like way less than that. But the only thing is it does have badly bent fins, but it holds pressure really well. So I'm really happy for that. It does have some imperfections, but I can still shine this up really well and make it look brand new. It's just going to take a lot of, elbow grease, but oh well. I'm happy with it. I'm glad I got this when I did. So yeah, so this will probably be going in the Supra, and I'll be able to play around with it, and then once I put my single turbo kit on it, or once I build up my single turbo kit, because I still got to get a manifold, wastegate, and a downpipe, and I should be good. But yeah. Bending the fins and basically just trying to restore this. Pretty bad. I didn't see this. I didn't see that. That's pretty bad. But still holds pressure apparently. But yeah, that's pretty bad. Those fins are gone. I mean, I could probably rebend these ones. But that's pretty bad right there. If I'm correct, I think a company makes those fins, so I could probably buy them, but I don't know if I'm going to be honest. But yeah, I mean, can't really complain. This is a HKS R-Spec, so think about it, that's pretty good. Got it for really cheap, so. So now what I'm doing is I'm just shining it up. Yeah, just pretty much. I'm using this camera because the other one that I'm using, I need to figure out what's going on with it. But this one's still pretty good. You guys can see it. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a video of that. The product I'm using is gonna be Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream. I usually use Mothers, but I've used this before and I like how this worked too. Plus, I don't know, I used this on my exhaust and it kind of was like a little bit of a blue tint to it afterward. I'm not too sure, but
I have this, so I'm gonna use this right now. So anyways, enjoy. Alright guys, so this is it when it's finished. Actually, it's still not finished yet, but I did polish this up pretty good. There's still some imperfections on it, but this has to get washed. I haven't sprayed it down with degreaser and all that, but I got this because it was pretty cheap, and the reason why it was cheap is because this row is gone. And then I just noticed this. Almost fell. I did notice this. It's got a little tiny crack in it. It's bent right here. It's got a tiny crack, but I think the coupler fits down here. So if anything, I'm just gonna hammer this out and then see if I can weld it. I'm probably gonna get someone to weld it since I don't have any welding equipment yet. But yeah, you can see it's kind of a big crack, but it's still savable, I believe. But yeah, other than that, I think it came out pretty good. Still a little bit imperfections, but nothing too big. I like it the way it looks. I'm thinking about using the a clear bra on it. I'm not too sure because I really don't want this to dull again because it took forever to do it, but still going to go over it a couple more passes. So yeah, I was going to do the sandpaper thing, but I'm not going to do that. Still got a little bit on there. I'm not going to do that. I'm probably just going to leave it like this. I'm happy with the results. If you guys wanted to make it look like a mirror, I mean, this is pretty much good. You can still see your reflection. But if you want it to look like a mirror, you would get like sandpaper, different grits of paper. I think it's like 800,000, like 2,000 grit, and then you polish it again. And it comes out looking really good. But I'm not going to be doing that to this. I'm happy with the way it is. I just got to make brackets now. Next video hopefully will be me installing this on the car. And I actually might be the headlight video because I'm literally all over the place right now. I'm trying to, get things together. But yeah. All right, guys. Thank you.